Gentlemen, welcome back to Texan Knives. My name is Masoor. I'm the owner of this company, Texan Knives. I'm located here at 1395 North Park Drive, Kingwood, Texas 77339. It's a Suite B. So this is the main store. We are the manufacturers of Texan Knives. We can customize the knife here. So now I'm introducing you our new item, which is handmade Damascus steel. So it's all hand forged Damascus steel butterfly knife or bells. So see the quality of it's 1095 carbon steel with 4340 nickel. Hardness is 58 to 59 Rockwell hardness. It's all handmade, top to bottom. It's all Damascus steel. So we are happy to introduce our knife to you. Come back to the Texan Knife store, and you can also visit our Texan Knife website, texanknife.com, and you can call in person to me 281-235-9516, or my son Ajwat AJ 832-661-8143. Thank you so much. Bye.